Welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete your Roblox account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. Once it's gone, you won't be able to recover it. You'll lose everything: your Robux, purchased items, friends, game progress, creations, and any experiences you've built. So make sure you're absolutely certain before moving forward. Option 1. Deactivate your account, temporary. If you just want to take a break, you can deactivate your account instead. Go to the Roblox website using any browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge, etc. Click the gear settings icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Content Restrictions. Scroll down to find Account Deactivation and Deletion. Choose Deactivate Account. This option is reversible. Your profile will be hidden, and you won't be able to use Roblox, but you can reactivate it later. Option 2. Permanently delete your account. If you're sure you want to permanently delete it, here's what to do. Scroll down to the bottom of the Roblox website and click Help. This will take you to Roblox support. Use the search bar and type Delete. Click on How do I deactivate or delete my account? Scroll down to the Account Deletion section. Click the blue support form link. Now fill out the form. Enter your username, you can see it in the top right corner. Add your email address, make sure it's correct and confirmed. Select the device you're using. Under Help category, choose I want to delete my account. For the description, you can write something simple like, I want my account deleted. Click Continue to submit the request. Roblox support will likely contact you to confirm the deletion and may ask for additional verification. Once processed, your account will be permanently deleted. That's it. I hope this walkthrough helped you out. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials right here on One More Guru. I'll see you in the next one.